7 daily mistakes are silently draining your strength after 60, and stopping them is the single greatest health investment you can make. Welcome everyone to Winds of Thought. Please show your support with a like and subscribe for channel. If you or someone you love is navigating life beyond 60, watching this next few minutes could be the key to a future filled with more energy and vitality. Today, I'm revealing the subtle habits that accelerate aging and weaken your body. Ignoring them means accepting daily decline, but correcting them can help you reclaim a surprising amount of vigor. Life after 6 decades is a powerful chapter, but your body's cellular repair slows. Muscle mass naturally decreases and energy production isn't what it used to be. The wrong daily routines don't just add years, they add weariness. Fatigue, joint stiffness, poor sleep, and mental fog can become constant companions. The secret isn't a miracle drug, it's identifying and eliminating the energy-stealing behaviors holding you back. The first habit to break might be ruining your nights and your days. Habit 1. Compromising on deep, restorative sleep. Your body's repair work happens during quality rest. Late night, screen time, conversations, or worrying disrupts melatonin, the crucial sleep hormone. Consequences include imbalanced blood pressure, halted muscle repair, chronic fatigue, and memory lapses. The fix. Aim to be in bed by 10 p.m. Create a screen-free buffer zone before sleep. Try warm almond milk or chamomile tea to calm the nervous system. Habit 2. Starting your day without hydrating. An older body dehydrates faster. Morning dehydration means toxins aren't flushed, taxing your kidneys and digestion. This leads to constipation, thicker blood, stressing the heart, and a sluggish metabolism. The solution? Drink a large glass of lukewarm water with a squeeze of lemon first thing. Using a copper vessel can add beneficial minerals. Please show your support with a like and subscribe for channel. Habit 3. Eating too fast, chewing too little. Dental issues or haste often lead to swallowing food whole. This overwhelms your stomach, blocking nutrient absorption. The results are gas, acidity, weight issues, and malnutrition. What's the simple, powerful technique? Chew each mouthful 30 times. Never eat while distracted by a screen. Your habits don't just fill your days, they design your future vitality. Habit 4. Abandoning your morning movement. Some think, why walk? I get tired. But truthfully, motion is life's lubrication. Walking oxygenates every capillary, maintains joint flexibility, and strengthens bones. Without it, muscles weaken, circulation slows, sleep suffers, and disease risk rises. Action step: a gentle 30-minute walk after sunrise. Walking barefoot on grass when safe can ground and energize you. Habit 5. A diet heavy in fried foods and sugar. After 60, digestive enzymes diminish. Greasy, sugary meals slowly damage your liver, heart, and kidneys. This leads to rising cholesterol, unstable blood sugar, and weaker bones. Embrace light, boiled, home-cooked meals. Prioritize lentils, soups, fruits, and greens. Limit sweets to a weekly treat. If you're finding this valuable, please support our community. Take a second to like this video and subscribe to Winds of Thought. It truly helps. Please show your support with a like and subscribe for channel. Habit 6. Prolonged, unbroken sitting. Your body thrives on gentle motion. Remaining seated for hours makes muscles inactive. The damage includes stiff knees, leg swelling, muscular weakness, and blood pressure issues. The rule? Rise and move for 2 minutes every half hour. Practice simple postures like Tadasana or Vajrasana. Gently move your legs even while seated. Habit 7. Over-consuming stimulants and alcohol. Caffeine and alcohol dehydrate an aging body faster, leaching calcium and iron. Impacts include sleep loss, heart palpitations, brittle bones, and organ strain. Limit tea or coffee to 1 cup daily. Eliminate tobacco and alcohol. Replace with herbal infusions like ginger or cinnamon tea. Bonus habit: living in sustained stress. In later years, anxiety is a potent toxin. Worry over family, finances, or health weakens your heart, mind, and immunity. It raises blood pressure, destroys brain cells, and steals sleep. The antidote? Daily 15-minute meditation. Listen to calming music, chant, or simply practice smiling. Laughter remains powerful medicine. Now let's build 5 new powerful habits. 1. Sit in morning sunlight for natural vitamin D. 2. Drink 8 glasses of water daily. 3. Consume 1 seasonal fruit every day. 4. Create a calm, phone-free pre-sleep ritual. 5. Connect with a loved one. Share a smile or a conversation. Please show your support with a like and subscribe for channel. Friends, if you desire a body that feels agile and energetic, the first step is distancing yourself from these draining patterns. Releasing these 7 habits will let your body thank you. Sleep will improve, digestion will optimize, strength will return to your limbs, and your mind will feel sharper. Aging is inevitable, but weakening is a choice your habits make.